In this video, I'm going to show you how to warp in Krita. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top over here and you want to click on settings, you want to hover over Dockers, and you want to enable this tool options Docker over here. Now when you do that, you want to select this tool over here, which is the transform a layer tool, and then when you do that, you want to click on the layer or your drawing or image or whatever you want to warp. Whenever you do this, you want to go to the top right where you can now see you have tool options, which is the menu we just enabled. So it's this Docker we just enabled, and then you want to click on this button over here under tool options, which is the warp button. When you do this, sometimes your image will disappear like this, but then you can just start and it's going to appear again. So for example, I can go into this corner over here and basically drag it up like this. I could drag this one inwards, this one like that, and of course you can kind of move this around and warp your image or your drawing or whatever that way. Okay, so that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.